In this video, we'll look at a demonstration of creating a Notion-based website using this tool called apps.notion.lol. First, let's look at some samples. Here are a couple of websites that I've opened that were all created using the tool. The first one is a corporate website. The second one is a product website. And the third one is a creator's website. As you can see, both this website and this website work off the notion.lol subdomain, while this website has its own custom domain. Let us look at launching our own website using a Notion page. In this video, we'll go through all the steps to create your own website. Once you've logged into apps.notion.lol, like I've done here, simply go to the dashboard page. The dashboard page is the landing page. It shows you all the various steps required to get your site up and running. And it's this simple. Simply choose your template, duplicate your template, personalize it with your content, do a manual creation in the system, launch it by the click of a button, and you're live in absolutely no time. That's it. It's that simple. Let us look at creating our own website based off a Notion page in this video. The process is very simple. I'm going to use this as an example. This is a product that we made for restaurants. And let's say we want to create a product page to explain this product. And we want to make that product page of Notion. And there are a lot of benefits to that, which we'll cover in forthcoming videos. Simply go to the first step. Choose a template of your choice. You've got some very good templates here. I'm going to choose Cobalt. This is a nice template. Just click on the duplicate button here. And it should duplicate to your own Notion page. Simply rename it to Beats. And you should be ready. This is your page now. Now that we've finished steps 1 and 2 of this process, we've chosen a template, we've duplicated a template. Let's work on personalizing the content. So here's the template that we've duplicated using the base template that was provided by app notion.lol. So now Beats is our platform. What we're doing, we take your restaurant business to the next level. Leverage the power of technology to streamline your restaurant's operations. All right. So this is our website now. That's a pretty decent title. I think it could be better, but that's for another day. Now let's look at replacing this image. Replacing this image is very straightforward. Simply choose an image first. I'm going to use the image from the website itself. Just quickly taking a screenshot here. This is the image that we want to put into our website. Click on the image, right click, just click on the button, replace, upload, and put your file. That's it. Your website is live. This is your website on your template, and you want to share this to the world. Just click on publish. Publish, click on publish to the web. If you want people to use it, allow duplicate, and if you do not want to do so, just turn it off. I want people to use my creation. Let me just copy the web link now. This is the web link which is live on the web, and I want to link this up to the domain on our site. And for doing that, go to Notion, and now we're proceeding to the step 4, creating a site. Go to create Notion. Once you're here, simply choose the domain that you want the page to point to. Now that's beats.notion.lol. Let's put in the URL that we just copied. Beats, the new era in restaurant technology. Power your streamlining operations. Right, I'm going to leave this the themes default. You can choose from a set of themes. I like the default theme, that's okay. We need to enter a couple of icons, and for that I'm just going to grab the icon from the page itself. Click on icon, Do it again for the app icon. Let's do that again. And when you scroll down, you can add Google Analytics and a couple of other SEO related parameters. We will revisit that in a different video. And just press save. A Notion site is created. When you go to My Notions, you will see all the Notion sites that they created. Here is the one we just did so. Simply click on connect. And when you click on connect, the tool is going to ask you to give you ask you for permissions that you need to grant to the tool. And I'm going to select Beats, which is the website that we are interested in, and press allow access. And with this step, notion.lol is ready to rock and roll. In a few seconds, you should be directed back to the page ready to launch your website. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Just click on launch. In a few seconds, your website should be live and kicking. In a few seconds, your site should be live. Just click on the link that's presented here once you've launched it. And as you can see, once you go there, your site is actually live on your own domain. This is no longer the Notion link, this is your link. And this is the link which is personalized for you, and you can get a custom domain with a premium plan and share it with everybody you wish to share. But that's not all. Let's have some fun here. And this is where the power of Notion actually comes into play. Creating content is a difficult business. It's not something that you do one time and leave it. Let's say you want to change this content. Actually, let's just first change this logo first. This logo needs to be changed surely. It's not the original logo. Simply click on file, and I think we have this is okay. Let's do this. You ideally should choose a much smaller logo, and which should be lighter. In fact, let's just do it the right way. This is the logo. The page isn't the logo. So let's change that. And while you do this, you can see the logo and your website is being updated in real time. And this is the way you can share and collaborate with people in your company or in your organization or your customers or partners to improve the copy on your website. Let's say I'm working off this site now. Leverage the power of technology to streamline your restaurant's operations. This doesn't make sense to an extent. Let's change this a little more to make it specific. Automate your restaurant's operations using the Beats suite. Made special. Beats suite, that's good. The button is too small, let's say. You can increase the size of the button. Alright, moving on. And you can see all your information is getting updated in real time. We make the best pizzas in town. And with time you realize the efficiency of this. It's so easy to make and push edits into your website and get very quick feedback. Use notion.lol, make the most of your business and have fun. And with that, coming back to the guide, we've gone through all the steps. We've chosen the template, we've duplicated it, we've personalized the content, we've created the site, we've launched it, and we are live. It's that simple.